Australia's best-selling vehicle, Hilux, is now more Australian than ever, thanks to the significant styling, development, and evaluation work performed by Toyota Australia's design and engineering teams for both local and international markets. The big news for the Hilux 4x4 fans is under the bonnet. The 2.8-liter turbo diesel 4-cylinder introduced in 2015 has had a power boost from 130 kilowatt, 450 newton meters to 150 kilowatt, 500 newton meters when paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission and is now rated to tow 3,500 kilograms. 6-speed manual versions of the 2.8-liter turbo diesel rise to 150 kilowatts also and retain their original 420 newton meters of torque, but are also rated to tow 3,500 kilograms. The company's local design team played a considerable role in styling the exterior of the Hilux range. As part of the international team, while its local engineers focused on evaluating and helping to develop upgrades to power and torque, suspension, and steering. Both Australian teams worked extensively with their Toyota counterparts in Japan and Thailand to deliver new Hilux's bolder looks while offering even stronger performance, enhanced ride comfort, and a more precise steering feel. Development and evaluation of the 2.8-liter engine, suspension and steering in Australia was conducted in collaboration with teams from Japan and Thailand, as well as representatives from other markets. Higher engine output, particularly with a wider and flatter torque curve, had resulted in significantly improved acceleration, overtaking, and towing. The 6-speed automatic transmission had been recalibrated to allow earlier lockup for improved acceleration and cooling performance, especially while towing. Each part of the new package was tested in Australia to confirm that it met the performance targets in real-world customer conditions as well as on test benches and test tracks.